Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 maths. Click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. Got it? So please find the chapter multiplication. So here is the list of the chapters we're going to cover today. They are multiplication patterns over increasing place values, multiply numbers ending in zeros, then multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems, and then choose numbers with a particular product. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is multiplication patterns over increasing place values. Got it? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Okay, let me just write down the lesson name. Multiplication patterns over increasing place value. Multiplication patterns over increasing place values. Okay, let's start with the first value lesson. Multiplication patterns over increasing place value. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Got it? Here is the lesson name. I'm on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiplication, and here is the lesson I'm going to start with. Okay, so let's just start with the test. Okay, we have to find the number that when multiplied makes 27. Which number times 9 is 27? You have to find the number that when multiplied by 9 makes 27. Which number is it? 9 times what number is 27? Very good. 9 times 3 is 27. Got it? Okay, now you have to look for the increasing patterns. Now you have a missing number times 9. Here you have 270. Got it? We know that 9 times 3 is 27, but here you have a 0. So here you have 9. 9 doesn't have any 0. That means the number that is missing must have a 0. 9 times 3 is 27, and you have to put 0 as it is. Got it? Then you have the missing number times 9 and 2700. Just look at the increasing patterns of zeros. Got it? You have two zeros over here. That means we know that 9 times 3 is 27. That means 3 is same. Here you have two zeros. This number don't have any zero. That means this number must be two zeros. Got it? So that's how here the number of zeros are increasing. That means here for the missing number, the number of zeros are increasing. Got it? 9 times 3 is 27, and write that three zeros as it is. Got it? So that means the correct option for this one is and the second one, 330, 300, 3000, 30,000, 300, thousands, and then 3 millions. Got it? So you have the same number of zeros with the missing number. Here you have one zero. That means here you have 30. Here you have two zeros. Here you have 300. Here you have three zeros. Then you have 3000. Got it? That is the increasing place values. Got it? So the correct option is 330, 300, 3000, and so on. Got it? Okay. 1 times what number is 6? 1 times 1 times 6 is 6. Got it? That means for the first one is 6. Then 1 times 60 is 60. Then 1 times 600. So you have to see, look for the number pattern. Here you have 1 0. So here you have 60. Here you have 2 zeros. So here you have 600. Got it? Then here you have 3 zeros. So here you have 6,000. So the correct option is the first one: 660, 600, 6,000, 600,000, and 6 million. Got it, everyone? The correct option is the first one. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, complete the pattern. 4 times 8 is, got it? No one is answering. Is there any problem? Please write the question in the chat box. If you have any problem, I'll answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Got it? Okay, 4 times 8 is, 4 times 8, 8 is 32. Got it? Then you have 4 times 80. Now you have the number of zeros increasing. Just multiply the non-zero values. 4 times 8 is 32. And you have 1 0. Just put the 0 over here. Got it? So then you have 4 times 800. Then 4 times 8 is 32. Multiply the non-zero numbers and write the zeros as it is. Got it? So as zeros are increasing here, so the number of zeros are increasing in the product. Got it? So it would be 3, 320, 3200, 32,000, 320,000, and so on. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, select complete the pattern, which is the correct option. 7 times 5 makes, 7 times 5 makes 35, then 350, then 3,500, then 35,000, and then so on. Got it? So first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you have missing number times 8 equals 56. So what number times 8 is 56? What number times 8 is 56? 7 times 8 is 56. Got it? So then you have the next number is 560. So that means the missing number must have a one single zero. It would be 70. Got it? For the next number, it would be 700. So first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, which option is the correct one? 4 times 4, 40 times 4, 400 times 4, 4,000 times 4. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Option number 1 is the correct one. Got it? 4 times 4 makes 16. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, very good. So what number times 2 is 12? Which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct one. Got it? Because 6 times 2 makes 12. Very good. So option 2 is the correct one. So select the correct option and click on the Okay, but okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? And the next topic is multiply numbers ending in zeros. Let's start with a new topic, that is, let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Multiply numbers ending in zeros. Okay, so here is the lesson. You have to do 8 times 900. Got it? So 8 times 900. So whenever you are working with zeros, simply multiply the non-zero values. Got it? So the non-zero is 9 times 8. Just do 9 times 8. And we know that 9 times 2 is 72. Got it? That means you have 72. You have two zeros with a digit. So add the two zeros in the answer. It would be 7200. Got it? Multiplying numbers with zeros is very easy. Just multiply the non-zero numbers, then count the zeros and put the zeros with the answer. Got it? So you have just two zeros with 900. So put the two zeros with the answer. It would be then 7200. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8, just look at here. 9 times 8 is 72, isn't it? It is 9. Got it? So it would be 7200. Got it? Okay, the first one is 2 times 100. So just multiply the non-zero numbers and add the zeros in the end. Got it? So 2 times 100. The non-zero values are 2 and 1. Just do 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 1. So the answer must have two zeros. So you have to add the numbers have two zeros. So you have to add the two zeros at the end. So it would be 100, 200. Sorry, 2 times 1 is 2, not 1. So it would be 200. Got it? The correct option is 200. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, which is the correct option? 7 times 2 is, which is the correct option? You have to do 20 times 7. Just multiply the non-zero values. 7 times 2 is, 7 times 2 is 14. Very good. And add a 0, so it makes 140. Got it? Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 9000 times 6. So which is the correct option? Multiply the non-zero numbers. Multiply the non-numbers. 9 times 6 is, 9 times 6 is 54. You have three zeros with 9000. So count the zeros. You have three zeros. So add the zeros at the end of the 5400. Got it? So it would be 54. It would be 54,000. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. So multiplying the numbers with zeros is very easy. Got it? So 6 times 30 is, just multiply the non-zero number. 6 times 3 is, the correct option is, very good. 6 times 3 is 18. So it is 180. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 8 times 900. So which is the correct option? 9 times 8 is 72, and you have two zeros with 909, so you have to put the two zeros with the 72, so it would be 7200. Very good, that is the second one. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 40 times 3 is 40 times 3 is, it would be, yes, it is 120. 3 times 4 is 12, so add a 0, so it would be 120. Okay, 3000 times 5 is 3000 times 5 is 5 times 3 is 5 times 3 is 15. So add the zeros at the end, so it makes 15,000. Got it? The first option is the correct one. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 80 times 1 is 80 times 1 is 80. Got it? Any number multiplying 1 answers the same number. Got it? 80 times 1 is 80. 90 times 4 is 4 times 9 is 4 times 9 is 36. So the first option is the correct one. Got it? 4 times 9 is 36. Add a 0, so it would be 360. Okay, 100 times 4 is 100 times 4 is 400. Got it? 100 times 4 is 400. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 2000 times 8 is 2000 times 8 is 8 times 2 is, just multiply the non-zero numbers. It is 8 times 2, so 8 times 2 is 16. So you have three zeros with two. So you put three zeros at the end of the digit. So it would be 16,000. Got it? Very good. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 10 times 3. So 10 times 3 is 10 times 3 is 30. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutors on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems. So the lesson is exactly the same we just did, but we have now the word problems. Got it? Okay, the lesson name is multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems. Okay, let's start with the test questions. Let me read the question, just listen to me carefully. A factory puts 6,000 pictures in picture frame in each shipment. How many picture frame will the factory put in? 8 shipments. So in each shipment they put 6,000. You have to calculate the total frames they send in 8 shipments. So basically you have to do 6,000 times 8. So multiplying numbers is very easy. Just multiply the non-zero values. 6 times 8 is 6 times 8 is 48. So you have 3 zeros with 6. So just add 3 zeros at the right hand side of the 48. So it would be 48,000. Got it? So the correct option is 48,000. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. A hospital ordered 30 boxes of cotton swabs. There are 100 cotton swabs in each box. How many cotton swabs did the hospital order in all? So you have to do 30 times 100. Got it? You have to do 30 times 100. Got it? Just multiply the non-zero values. They are 3 times 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So one of the digit has 2 0 and one of them has 1. Add 2 and 1. You have to add 3 zeros at the end of the at the right hand side of the 3. So it would make 3,000. Got it? Count the numbers with both the digits and add the zeros that are with both the digits. Got it? So it would be 3,000. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. A ketchup company purchased 2 shipments of tomatoes. There were 800 tomatoes in each shipment. How many tomatoes did the company purchase in all? Got it? You have to do 800 times 2. So 800 times 2 equals 800 times 2 equals 8 times 2 is 16. Got it? So it would be 1600. You have to put two zeros because 8 has two zeros, so it is 1600. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is a cookie factory produced 40 packages of cookies. There were 10 cookies in each package. How many cookies did the factory produce in all? You have to calculate the total cookies produced by the factory. You have to do 40 times 10. Got it? So 40 times 10 equals, you have to do 40 times 10. Multiply the non-zero values. Skipping back means, what do you mean by skipping back? You have to do 40 times 10. 4 times 1 is 4. You have to add 2 zeros, so it would be 400. Got it? Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A doctor's office ordered 9 shipment of bandages. There are 9,000 bandages in each shipment. How many bandages in total did the doctor's office order? Back into the live video. Just, I don't know, you can just refresh your page. Maybe your internet is slow and that's why the video, whenever the internet is slow, the video is paused and when it connects again, maybe that's the reason. Okay, you have to do 9 times 9,000. Got it? So 9 times 9,000 is, multiply the non-zero numbers. The non-zero numbers are 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So you have three zeros. Add the three zeros to the right of the 81. So it would be then 81,000. Got it? The correct option is 81,000. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Lara counted the tiles on the gymnasium floor. The gym is 600 tiles long and 40 tiles wide. What is the total number of tiles on the gymnasium floor? Got it? It is 600 times 40. Got it? So just multiply the non-zero numbers. The non-zero numbers are 6 and 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Got it? You have to, you have the total three zeros, 1, 2, 3. So just add 3 is very good to the right of the 24. So it makes 24,000. Got it? There are 100 tissues in each box. How many tissues are there in four boxes? So which option is the correct one? 100 times 4 is 400. Got it? So that means in four tissue boxes, the total tissues are 400. Heather bought 30 boxes of pen. There were 40 pens in each box. How many pens did Heather buy? So which is the correct option? You have to do 40 times 30. So 40 times 30 is, yes, very good. It would be 1200. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. A movie theater ordered 600 boxes of candy. Each box contained 10 pieces of candy. How many pieces of candy is that in all? So you have to do 10 times 600. Got it? 10 times 600 is, yes, it is 6,000. Multiply the non-zero numbers and add zeros. So it would be 6,000. Okay, an Apple store ordered 8 shipments of apple. There were 2,000 apple in each shipment. How many apples did the company order in? Also, you have to do 2,000 times 8. So 200 times 8 is 2,000 type 8 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So that would be 16,000. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is, if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is choose numbers with a particular product. Let me write down the lesson name on the board. Choose numbers with the particular products. Okay. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a product of 63. You are given with four numbers 4, 5, 7, 9. You need to see which two numbers when multiplied make 63. So what are the numbers? Just check these two. 4 times 5 makes 20. That means this isn't the correct option. 7 times 5 is 35. Again, this isn't the correct option. Got it? Just do 7 times 9. So 7 times 9 is 63. Got it? That means the correct option is 7 and 9 because 7 times 9 makes 63. Got it? So the correct option is 7 and 9. The first option is the correct one. Got it? 7 and 9 have a product of 63. Got it? Choose the two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 56? 2, 5, 7, 8. 2, 5, 7, and 8. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 56? Very good. That would be 7 and 8 because 7 times 8 makes 56. Got it? The correct option is first one. Very good. Choose the two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a product of 40. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 40? Which option is the correct one? Very good. 4 and 10 because 4 times 10 makes 40. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 15? Dash and dash equals 15. So which is the correct option? It would be 3 times 5. Got it? 3 times 5 makes 15. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a product of 54. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 54? Yes, 6 times 9 is 54. Got it? So the correct option is 6 and 9. The second one, just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a product of 90. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 90? Which two numbers has a product of 90? Very good. 9 times 10 makes 90. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the multiplication sentence. Dash and dash equals 40. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 80? Yes, 8 times 5 is 40. So the correct option is the second one. 5 times 8 is 40. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash as a product of 30. Which two numbers when multiplied makes 30? Two times, 3 times 10 is 30. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash makes 21. Which two numbers they are? 7 times 3 makes 21. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, so we have completed a test for the lesson. So here is a list of the lessons we have covered today. We are working on the chapter multiplication, and the lessons we have covered today are the pattern multiplication patterns over increasing place values, then multiply numbers ending in zeros, then multiply numbers ending in zeros word problems, then we did choose numbers with a particular product. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask question. I am waiting for the questions from your side. Please write the questions in your chat box. Wish to num So any problem, any question? No questions? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your participation. Please click on the like button right below the video. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.